Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will be unboxing 3 things from RAVE, 2 tops and 1 skirt. And yeah, just let's get to it. I think I'm gonna start with this one. I will always put the names somewhere on the screen, and also I will put links in the description. I have got this RAVE stuff from Phantasmagoria as always, and yeah, video is not sponsored, I have bought them myself. I will put the links down below if you would like to check them. Yeah, so as I mentioned before, the first item I will be unboxing this top. So as you can see, on one shoulder it has only this strap, the other shoulder has like sleeve, but yeah, it is like straps. I will also try everything on so you can see. It is made from, it looks like knit maybe. It is sort of like textured, and it's actually a lot thicker than I was expecting it to be, which is nice. So yeah, everything I have is extra small to small. I believe the skirt is extra small to M, because the skirt I had different sizing, but both shirts are extra small to small. So yeah, this is the first item. Another item is also the top. I will put again the name somewhere here. This is what it looks like, but it also has straps, so I will first like adjust them and then continue. So this one is off shoulder top. It has these straps for your shoulders. It also has like sleeves with this metal ring detail, and at front there is a big O-ring with a zipper which goes all the way down and also all the way to the sleeves. I really hope it won't be scratchy, but I love this top on the model and I think it's really nice. The fabric is stretchy, it is different than the top before, but I don't know, it seems like a more stiff t-shirt fabric to me. But yeah, this is the second top and I really love this one. I'm really interested how this one will fit. And last but not least, we have a skirt. This one, I remember correctly, it was called Kitsune skirt. Well, no, the skirt is made from super interesting material. It's like this net material. It is like, it has asymmetrical hems at the bottom, and that's why it makes that like, you can see what I mean. It is asymmetrical, it is made from this net material, but it also has like underlay, so it is not like see-through, because this net material is super see-through. It has pockets, I believe, yes. It has pockets. They are see-through, but they are good when you just want to put your phone somewhere for a while or something like that. There is a like stretch band around it, except the front where is a zipper with this little pretty feather detail which is attached to the zipper, and also it has like straps for a belt, which is nice, even though I don't wear belts, but some people do, and it is really nice for them, I think. Yeah, I'm really happy with the skirt. I was looking forward to the skirt the most, I think. So to wrap this video up, I absolutely love every single item. I absolutely love that Punk Rave is the only brand which fits me like really well, even on the waist, and yeah, so that's really nice and I really enjoy that about them. My favorite are these t-shirts I'm wearing and the skirt probably, but I also love the other t-shirt I got. It fit really good, and yeah, I just love having finally something which is simple but also not so much, like shirt-wise, because I don't really have any shirts basically, not the ones that I would like to wear, because ones I have are either too short or too loose or whatever. I'm super happy with my purchase. And yeah, materials are really good, they are stretchy. The skirt is not stretchy, but as I mentioned before, it has a stretch band, so it's really easy to put on. And yeah, I will wear the hell out of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did and you want more from Punk Rave, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I will try and answer them. And I will see you in my next video on the next Friday. Bye bye!